I actually deleted my Dragon's Castle. Now I only have this house, and I don't have a lot of money. I mean, I didn't do it on camera, but I did it on accident. And now I have no house, only the tiny home. And I have to try to get something that is actually good. That's a house that is like, or I could decorate this house with some friends. Let's see all my friends that are playing. Oh, my cousin. Oh my gosh, my cousin is a noob. He's a noobiest kid and she's not. She just dresses up like a noob to show that people are like not like that. I'm gonna say hi. Like, she has a neon thingy. Neon owl. It's really cool. I just have this and other stuff. Really bad, but I guess I could deal with it. Let me ask my cousin. What? Oh, I want that so bad. I want that mega neon unicorn. Please. Oh wait, I need to turn my shades on. OMG, I want that mega neon unicorn so bad. Let's give me this cat, please. Please. No. Okay. Like, so funny. But this is fully grown. Let's see what tricks we can do. Damn. Okay. Oh my god. Mega neon please. Oh my god, let's see what he's gonna give for this. Bruh. I'm trading this for actually legendary pets like this, but that's not even good because like, you know, like, oh my gosh, I want something that's good. Oh my god, that's so cute. And actually, okay, stop dancing, okay. Okay, now stop dancing. This is actually Cotton Candy's baby. Oh, please stop dancing. Okay, let's get out a toy and throw it over there. Oh, no, not over there. Let's get a better toy. Oh my god. Where do all my toys go? I said stop right. Okay, come on, cat. Okay, let's go somewhere like a neon pink cat. I know. That's so cute. Oh my god. I want to trade everything. That's rude. Please. I know. You don't have to do it. That was so rude. Okay, I'm gonna go to the pet shop because you need to get something that's like you need to get something. Okay? And I don't know what to get you. Oh, this is a nice wish. You should get a pink one because, like, you know, you are pink and you like pink. So come on, let's take you home because you are very, like, you need to go home. So, yeah. We are going to go do a building thing, a building challenge in somewhere. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna ask my cousins if they want to do it with me. And yeah, so do you want to do a building challenge? To do a building challenge? What? Melody? In our small houses, we each pick a color themed house. Oh, you can do a different house. Okay guys, so we got all dressed up in our color and we're each going to do light pink and we have to recreate the best color. The house in that color. She's going to do this house and I'm going to do my only house and she is still getting dressed. But while that is happening, since we don't have any time, I'm going to go on start. Oh wow. Okay. And where is my house? Okay, so we have to make the outside light pink. We both chose light pink, so we just did like so we would do like the same color, and so we are going to try to make it look very good. And I'm gonna go for like a cat licorne. Oh yes, yes, yes. But this is a pink. We need like a pink unicorns right here. This is pink. I guess we can do this. Let's do the floor. Let's do like a wooden one maybe. This one. This this one isn't like pink, but that's okay. We can like just do like the floors differently. I'm going to do the floor, all the floors the same. Okay, here we go. Then I'm going to need a door right here, where like, because this is going to be the bathroom. So nobody wants to see you go into the bathroom. Let's put that right here, and then like, so like you walk through here, and should there be a door here? I don't know. I'm gonna put a door right here. And then just color that. This will be like the tiny little bathroom and the bedroom. Okay. So we're going to need it. So let's which one? Okay. Okay, let's do this sofa. A blah blah sofa. Color that pink. Cash out. Let's put that right against the wall. TV. I always do this modern TV. Whoa, look at that futuristic TV. Okay, hold on. Let me see this. Oh, I like this. I like this one. Okay, so let's put that right over here. And then, oh, I have such a good idea. Okay, so I'm gonna go to bed and then make the bed pink, of course, and then put it right in there so you can like sleep on the couch. And then so you can sit on it. Yes, that's very good. Okay. And then you can sit right here and watch some TV. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now we also gotta get another bed. I think I'll just do this one. It's like a very simple bed. Like, yeah, very, very simple. Okay, sure. And then we're gonna go like a nightstand. Okay, yeah, I don't see that. Let's just do a table. So like we could have like let's see. Oh, this is so hard. Okay, let's just do this. Gotta make that pink. Put it right over here, and then let's just do like cup. Cup. Okay. Bottle. Because like people drink water. I think that should be like white. Right here. When people drink water, they have like stuff like this. Okay, and then I'll have like this. No, that's no. Yeah, so she's just gonna have like water, and then no, I don't think she's gonna have like. Let's do flour. This one. Yes, a little flower right here. And then I think that will be it. And then the bathroom. Hold on. Let's see. A shower. Let's look at the showers. Okay, this one is the one that you can color, and it's like already pink. So I'm gonna put it like right. Wait, what color is it? We need it light pink. Okay, here we go. Put it right there. Now we're toilet. Modern toilet. Why not? I like this modern toilet. And cat. Excuse me. We will show you our houses in the next video.